Imagine this. Every time you switch on a light, charge your phone, or run a factory machine, electricity is silently flowing through a complex network of transformers. But have you ever thought who makes the critical parts inside these transformers? Today, we are uncovering the story of Mangal Electrical Industries Limited, a company that might not be famous in households, but is powering millions of them across India and the world. Let's explore their business model, financial performance, and where this hidden powerhouse is headed next. Coming to business model. Think of a transformer like the heart of the power grid. Just like the human heart pumps blood across the body, transformers push electricity safely across long distances. Now, Mangal Electrical is like the organ builder. They don't make the entire transformer, but they craft the most important inner parts that make the heart beat. Their core business is simple. They take special electrical steel, shape it into precise laminations, wound cores, and circuit breaker parts, and deliver them to transformer makers in India and 25 plus other countries. Without Mangal Electrical's products, many transformer manufacturers simply can't function. Here are some of the main products, which include CRGO slit coils and cut laminations. Imagine steel sheets cut into perfect slices. These reduce energy loss inside transformers, keeping them efficient. Steplap and mitered cores. These are like puzzle pieces of steel that fit together in a special way, making transformers quieter and more energy saving. Core and coil assemblies. These are ready-to-install transformer kits, almost like pre-assembled Lego sets, which save time for manufacturers. All-immersed circuit breakers. Think of all-immersed circuit breakers like the safety guards of big transformers. Transformers carry electricity, but if too much flows, overload, or a short circuit happens, they can burn or get damaged. These breakers are filled with insulating oil, which helps in two ways. It cools down the breaker when it gets hot, and it stops sparks, arc, when electricity is cut off suddenly. So, when there's trouble, the breaker quickly disconnects the electricity and protects the transformer. In short, they're like a safety switch dipped in oil that saves transformers from accidents. It's like being a silent architect of power. You may not see them, but without them, the entire system would collapse. Now coming to the financial performance part. Numbers often tell us a company's real story, so let's see how Mangal Electrical has been performing. Back in FY 2022, the company was still finding its feet. Revenue stood at about 257 crore rupees and profits were just around 9 crore rupees. Their operating performance, measured by EBITDA, was actually negative about 5.5 crore rupees. In simple words, they were working hard, but costs were eating into earnings. Borrowings at that time were close to 116 crore rupees, showing they leaned heavily on loans to run and grow the business. By FY 2023, the picture started improving. Revenue climbed to 354 crore rupees and profit shot up to nearly 25 crore rupees, almost 3 times higher. EBITDA was still negative at about 3.3 crore, but losses were narrowing. Borrowings went up a little to about 128 crore rupees as the company continued to invest in growth. Then came FY 2024. Revenues touched almost 450 crore rupees. Profits were still healthy at about 21 crore rupees, though slightly lower than the previous year. EBITDA losses shrunk further to about 2 crore, signaling they were very close to breaking even at the operating level. Borrowings rose again to about 141 crore rupees, a sign that expansion was stretching their finances. But here's the turning point, FY 2025. This was the year the company truly transformed. Revenue crossed 550 crore rupees and EBITDA margins turned positive for the first time, jumping to nearly 15%. That means not only did sales grow, but they finally started keeping a bigger slice of it as operating profit. Profits also doubled in margin terms, and borrowings were brought under control. Their debt-to-equity ratio dropped to 0.57x, showing they were no longer weighed down by loans. In short, the journey looks like this: from struggling with losses in FY 22 to stabilizing by FY 23 and FY 24 to a full turnaround in FY 25 with strong growth and healthier finances. It's the story of a company that went from running on borrowed strength to standing tall on its own earnings. Now talking about Mangal Electrical IPO. After years of quietly building its business, Mangal Electrical is about to step into the spotlight. Their IPO opens in August 2025 from 20th to 22nd August at a price band of 533 rupee to 561 rupee per share. This fresh issue is worth around 400 crore rupees, which the company plans to use for repaying debt, expanding its Rajasthan facility, and boosting working capital. Assuming it's priced at the top end, the IPO will give Mangal Electrical a market value of around 1,550 crore rupees. Post-IPO, the company is expected to be listed on the BSE and NSE by 28 August 2025, a key moment when it transitions from hidden player to a publicly traded force. Coming to future growth, that is, what's next for the company? So India is on a mission to electrify every corner through programs like the RDSS scheme. That means massive demand for transformers in the coming years. And when transformers are in demand, who wins? The companies making their most critical parts like Mangal Electrical. On top of that, with new investments from the IPO, they're expanding production capacity and reaching more international customers. It's like catching a huge power wave, and Mangal Electrical is already on the surfboard, ready to ride. To sum it up, Mangal Electrical Industries may not be a brand you see on billboards, but it's a hidden hero of India's power sector. From crafting the unseen cores inside transformers, to showing solid financial growth, to preparing for a future full of energy demands, this company is one to watch. As long as they keep riding the wave and managing competition, the lights in our homes and in their financials will keep shining brighter. This was the story of Mangal Electrical Industries Limited, the silent architect powering India's tomorrow. If you enjoyed this storytelling deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more company journeys explained in simple words.